A lot of people ask me what I do, and I don't do much. But here's among the few things that I do. This is my dump truck. And my experience at the dump. Here we go, dumping. You really get a good second angle when it's just you. Yeah, that does tend to get pretty loud. So, here's the fun part. Once you got it all the way up like there, you get in and hit the gas. So, here we go. We'll climb up in this bitch and punch that fucker. Alright. And then we go assess the damage here. It's a giant truck, yeah. That's a whole shitload of roofing stuff. Alright. Looks good to me. Now we bring her back down.